5th and 6th graders, welcome to our science class. Today I'm going to ask you to open your books on page 98 and 99. Today we're going to talk about the references and the skills from this book. Okay, so in this section of the learner's book covers some of the new scientific inquiry skills from this stage. They build on the skill already gained from previous stages. You should refer to these skills whenever you need them. Okay, so we're going to talk about the skills that we should or we had learned, from this book. Okay, the first skill is to measuring the volume of liquid. Okay, this means that measuring cylinders come in different sizes. Choose one that is the right size of the volume of a liquid you want to measure. Put the measuring cylinder on a table and count the lines between two numbers. Count the lines between two numbers or some measuring cylinders of each line is 1 ml. On the others, it can be 2 ml or even 5 ml. Okay, so I'm going to teach you from this. This will be my measuring cylinder. It's from for medicine. Okay, so here we have the measure. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ml. But in the middle of number 1 and number 2, we have 10 lines. 5 small, 1 medium sized, and then another 5. Okay, so there's what we learned, that to measuring the liquid. Okay, so if you need 1.2 ml, you're going to select to 1, going to plug thing, okay, number 1, and then 2 lines under number 1, and that's 1.2 ml. And that's how you measured your some liquid. That's the first skill. The second skill is choosing a bar chart or a line graph. We should do this at the first of the year. And this is to use a bar chart when your results are different objects or different groups with numbers from each one. Did you remember that we made chart like this with the names, I thought, or I don't remember what was the topic we used this. Okay, so this is, the bars are separate because each bar shows a different object group of, for example, the type or fruit. Okay, so in this example we have the fruit and the seeds. The apple has 5 seeds, orange 10, and kiwi 30. So in this chart, ya no quepo aquí, yo estoy en la pared. We have the apples have 5 seeds, and then we have another bar here that is about from oranges and tell us that they have 10 seeds, and then we have here the kiwi that have 30. And you can change this information, okay, with everything you need to do, okay? And then we use the line graph, that is when your results are a pair of numbers. Line graphs can be used to show how something changes with the time, such an increase in temperature or plant's height. Where hot water is cooling, okay, so we have here the graph. Here we have the temperature of water in sorry, I forgot the number, Celsius, in Celsius, and the time in minutes. Okay, so what you're going to do, we're going to make this line, okay? With your information about, let's think about how many times did you help your mom at home from the last week, okay? So here you're going to write 1 hour, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, okay? From day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, 6, and 7 from a whole week. And you're going to make a graph in what things did you help your mom, okay? That's your homework. And for next class, we're going to talk about the other skills. Bye.